Hello everyone, take the onion and cut it like this. Cut it using the scissors of this shape, cut it from the sides, give it a proper shape like this. Now arrange it on the plate. So first take the spinach leaves and then cut it like this. Now place the onions and the cucumber leaves together like this one by one. Now take the corns and fry it. Now fix it and then mix it like this and put it over the plate in the between. Decorate it like this and it's ready. Next, take the orange and remove its peel as shown in the video. Now, make the designs on it to make the flowers. Cut it properly. Give it a shape by cutting it from the sides. Decorate it carefully. Now, cut it few more as such. Now, take another peel of the flower and put it in the between. Now, make the stems and leaves using the cucumber leaf. Now, put it like this and fix the flowers in the plate. Now, decorate it as we are decorating it. Put the leaves as shown in the video. Decorate it. Now, put the oranges to make the sand. And your plate will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can make the butterflies using the oranges like this and it will look very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed it. Next, take the cucumber and cut it from the sides like this carefully. Do not remove it. Just cut it and give it a shape as shown in the video. Make the frills. Now, take the knife and cut the pulp from the between and remove it carefully. Remove it as shown in the video. Now, use the carrots to decorate it. Cut the carrots very carefully into thin slices on the top. Do not remove it. Just remove the few sections from the top like this. Give it the lines on the top of it like this. Decorate it over the plate. Now, fix the flowers. Now, take another piece of cucumber and remove its slice. Now cut it into thin pieces like this. Put it very carefully. Now take the cucumber and cut it like this. After that, place it on the plate as shown in the video. Now fix the flowers which we have made to decorate it. Put them few more as such. Make the leaves and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, using the tomatoes, we will make the flowers. So cut it like this from the sides carefully. Cut it. Now remove the pulp from the between. Now cut it into thin slices like this. Arrange them and then roll it to make the flower. Now fix it in the between. And your flower is ready. Now fix its stems and leaves and it's done. Next, take the carrot and cut it into thin slices from the top like this. Cut it as shown in the video. Now, make the designs in the between using the knife. Now, cut it from the sides again into thin slices and then don't remove it. Just cut it and give it a shape like this. Cut it into very thin slices. After that, we will cut it from the sides and remove the extra parts like this. Watch the video very carefully how we are designing it. Now, give the designs on it as we are making it. Perform this step very carefully as this is very much crucial. Now cut it from the top into thin slices again. Do not remove it, just give the designs as we are giving. Watch the video very carefully and pay attention to each details. Now after cutting it, we will fix it on the plate. Decorate it like this, again give it the shapes and then repeat the process. Now decorate it and put the dragon fruit in the between. Now using the cucumber, we will make the stems and leaves. Decorate it like this on the plate and your salad is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video. You can add some beautiful details to it on your own.